Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Welcome back to my channel. So this piece is a custom piece that I redid for my friend, and I brought it to the house, started the prep work before I paint it, and I did match the color with another piece of furniture that she had. I just took it to the hardware store. Alright, so the color scheme for this dresser is this. And so what I did is I took this and I matched the paint, and this is the color. That's the color I'm painting this dresser. It's gonna look. So I taped off the wheels so that way no paint goes on them and they stay original. But I wiped everything, sanded everything down. Now it's ready for paint. So here's the first coat of paint, and I do go back another 2 times just to make sure that it is full coverage and there is no bleeding or any of that. And this is the 3rd coat. And then what I did is taped off the drawers so that way I can paint the sides of it. As you see right here, I'm taping them off, and I want the drawers to be painted as well, the sides and the top part. I didn't want any of the wood showing. And then this is what it looks like. Alright, so this knob, or part of the knob, didn't have the circle like, there's that. Like this. So, this one wasn't complete. So what I'm gonna do is I have an extra handle from one of my previous dressers, and I'm going to take this and put it here. That way at least it has a handle. I mean, you won't really be able to tell the difference on it unless you like look really close, but at least she'll have a handle to open up the drawer. And there it is. Perfect. Now there's a handle on here. The paint is all dry, and I'm gonna start scuff sanding because she wants it rustic. And then, all right, so I was gonna use the 220, but it is not doing anything, so I'm gonna do the 120 so that way it actually scuffs it. I tried the 220 and it was just too soft, and it wasn't working how I wanted to. So I've already done this.
along the edge, and then I'm just gonna keep going. All you're gonna do is just lightly scuff it. You don't want too much. If you want it more scuffed, then you can go over it again, but I'm just barely going along the edge. So not too much, just enough.
I love the way it came out. She also loved it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Like this video, share it, and if you have any questions or recommendations or anything like that, just leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.